morning everyone. I hope you all are good. So today we are going to make a flower through craft activity. For this we have to knead some papers that is mentioned at the back of your books. And you have to cut the material, paste it on page number 15, and for making you have to follow my instructions.
So for this activity we need some material, and that material we have to cut from the back side of our book. The material is given there. So first we have to take the help of our mama, papa or elder brother and sister to cut the material. First you have to cut the center circle and apply the glue on that center circle for pasting the petals, and there we have triangle shaped petals. You have to cut all the petals in same shape that is already given there. So you have to cut all the petals from that page, and you have to paste the petals on that center circle where you apply the glue for making that flower. Now you have to paste all the petals that you have cut from that page. I have some extra petals. Now we have to paste stalk that is also given there. For pasting the stalk we have to apply a glue on that stalk, and for this also you have to take the help from your elders. Now paste the stalk. We are having two petals. We have to paste both the two petals from the Now we have to paste the second petal with the help of this glue. To both sides you have to paste the petals that is also given at the back. Now this is done.